हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक। अभी हम पढ़ते हैं मोड निकालने के लिए। 14.2 एक्सरसाइज में कंप्लीटली मोड और मीडियन दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन है। बट मोड निकालने के लिए देखिए अभी हम कैसे करते हैं। मोड हमने जूनियर क्लास में भी पढ़ा था। मोड क्या था? हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी, जिसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी जितनी ज़्यादा बार रिपीट हो रही होगी उसको हमने क्या बोला था? मोड है। अगर हमें कोई डाटा दिया रहता था और पूछा जाता था इसमें मोड क्या है, तो मोड क्या निकालते थे? जिसकी हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी है, मीन्स हाईएस्ट नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स जो वैल्यू और जो डाटा रिपीट हो रहा होता उसी को तो हम बोलते थे दिस इज द मोड, हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी और हाईएस्ट रिपीटिशन। अभी इस सेक्शन में देखिए हम हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी से ही करेंगे, बट थोड़ा सा चेंज होगा। मोड इक्वल्स टू L प्लस F1 माइनस F0 और F0 डिवाइडेड बाई 2F1 माइनस F0 माइनस F2 इंटू H। सो ये भी मोड का फॉर्मूला है, इसको पहले ध्यान से समझते हैं। सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? मॉडल क्लास को किस तरह से आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे। देखिए तो अभी हम क्वेश्चंस भी करेंगे, बट उससे पहले एक थोड़ा सा व्यू होना चाहिए माइंड में। मॉडल क्लास आइडेंटिफाई कैसे करेंगे? जिस क्लास की सबसे ज़्यादा फ्रीक्वेंसी दी होगी वही हमारी क्या होगी? मॉडल क्लास होगी। तो मॉडल क्लास कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे? हम देखेंगे फ्रीक्वेंसी किस इंटरवल की ज़्यादा है। जिस इंटरवल की ज़्यादा फ्रीक्वेंसी होगी वही हमारी क्या हो जाएगी? मॉडल क्लास। अब उस मॉडल क्लास में क्या होगा? अपर लिमिट भी होगी और लोअर लिमिट भी होगी। तो उस L की जो वैल्यू हमने यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, L इज द लोअर लिमिट ऑफ द मॉडल क्लास। जो हमने मॉडल क्लास आइडेंटिफाई किया हुआ उसी का जो लोअर लिमिट होगा दैट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ L। H इज द साइज ऑफ द क्लास इंटरवल। सो क्लास इंटरवल की जो भी साइज होगा, सपोज अगर क्लास इंटरवल 2 के इंटरवल पे जा रहा है, 5 पे जा रहा है, 10 जा रहा है, 20 पे जा रहा है, जितना इंटरवल पे जा रहा होगा दैट विल गिव अस द हाइट। F1 इज द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द मॉडल क्लास। जो भी मॉडल क्लास होगी उसकी जो फ्रीक्वेंसी होगी दैट विल बी द F1। सो फ्रीक्वेंसी मॉडल क्लास की होगी F1। और F0 की अगर मैं बात करूंगा, 0 मीन्स क्या हो गया? 1 से एक पहले वाला है। याद रखने के लिए क्या कीजिएगा कि F1 इज द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द मॉडल क्लास। जो भी मॉडल क्लास आइडेंटिफाई किया उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी हमने 1 दे दिया। अब F0 की बात हो रही, 0 मतलब क्या हो गया? 1 से पहले की वैल्यू है, तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? F1 मीन्स फ्रीक्वेंसी प्रीसीडिंग द मॉडल क्लास। मॉडल क्लास से पहले वाली जो क्लास है उसकी जो फ्रीक्वेंसी है, सो दैट विल बी द F0 एंड F2 इज द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द क्लास सक्सीडिंग द मॉडल क्लास। तो मॉडल क्लास के बाद वाली जो क्लास होगी उसकी जो फ्रीक्वेंसी होगी दैट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ F2। तो अभी F0 और F2 की वैल्यू पहचान ली है। F0 की क्या होगी? मॉडल क्लास से पहले वाली क्लास की फ्रीक्वेंसी, और F2 मॉडल क्लास के बाद वाली क्लास की फ्रीक्वेंसी। ठीक है, तो अभी इसी फॉर्मूले को हम यूज करेंगे अपने बाकी क्वेश्चंस में करने के लिए। अभी एक पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन लेते हैं, उससे समझते हैं। सो विल टेक अप द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 from exercise 14.2. So come to the question number 1. The following table shows the age of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year. So this is already given. So first of all we will make our table to understand it better. So age in years already given to us. And here is the number of patients. Number of patients is given. Age is from 5 to 15, then this is 15 to 25, then 25 to 35, and 35 to 45, then 45 to 55, and 55 to 65. So this is the last interval for us. Number of patients already given in the table, so we'll write down the values. So this is 6, 11, 21, 6, 11, 21, then this is 23, then 14, and this is 5. So first of all we'll identify the model class. So we'll forget this for the time being. To identify the model class, now see that this is having the highest frequency. इसकी अभी क्या बताओ highest frequency किसकी अभी 23 is the highest frequency in this. So number of patients is the frequency only. So अभी frequency highest किसकी आ रही है 23 is the highest frequency. You can write it down as Fi. So this is the frequency table. So 23 is the highest frequency. So अभी ये हमारी क्या हो गई, this is the model class. So we can write it down, this is the model class. ये अभी हमारी जो हमने रेड लाइन से किया हुआ है, this is the model class. ये मॉडल क्लास आइडेंटिफाई होगी अभी हमारी. अब मॉडल क्लास आइडेंटिफाई होगी तो अभी हम मॉड का फॉर्मूला लिख लेते हैं. सो मॉड इक्वल्स टू, अभी हमने लिखा हुआ था मॉड इज इक्वल्स टू, और वी कैन राइट हियर सेपरेटली. सो मॉड इज इक्वल्स टू, सो दिस वाज लोअर लिमिट प्लस f1 माइनस f0 divided by 2f divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 times h. So this is the formula for this. Now mod we can find out L is the, so L is the lower limit, L is the lower limit of this median class. So model class के लिए lower limit क्या है अभी यहाँ पे 35. So L is 35. We can write lower limit is equals to 35. And what about F1? So F1 is the frequency of the model class. So F1 is, we can write, this is the frequency of model class, and which is equals to F1. So frequency of the model class, this is 23. So this is 23. Now f0, this is the frequency preceding model class. So preceding the model class, this is 21, and f2 is frequency succeeding model class. So succeeding means इसके बाद वाली क्लास की frequency कितना 14. So we'll write 14. Now we'll put all these values in this formula. So mod is equals to L. L is 35 plus F1. F1 is 23 minus F0. F0 is 21 divided by 2 times F1 is 23 minus F0 21 minus F2 14 into H. Height see upper limit minus lower limit. So this is H is 15 minus 5. So this is 10. So we can calculate mod equals to 35 plus, so this is 2 divided by 46 minus 21 and 14. So this will be minus 35 into 10. So mod will be equals to 35 plus, so this will be 20 divided by 11. So we can calculate mod equals to, now we can divide it and can find the values. So this will be 35 plus 1.81. So this will be 36.81. So we got mod is 36.81. So this is the mod now, and we can calculate the median. So for median we will proceed as it is. So median अभी हमने इससे पहले वाली एक्सरसाइज में भी किया हुआ था 14.1. So median के लिए देखिए अभी x, this fi is already given. Now we'll find out xi. So xi will be equals to, this will be the sum of these upper limit lower limit divided by 2. so this will be 20 by 2 means this is 10. अभी ये क्या 10 10 के इंटरवल पे, so next will be this will be 40 by 2, so this will be 20, then this will be 30, then 40, then 50, and last one would be the 60. Now we can calculate di, so di will be xi minus a. A is the assumed mean, so assumed mean will be the mid value, so we can take up these two are the mid values for us, 30 and 40. So we can take up any of these values. Suppose if we take up the 30, so we can write it here that assumed mean is 30. So assumed mean is 30 we have taken, so this will be now 10 minus 30 minus 20, and 20 minus 30 minus 10, so this will be 0, then 10, then 20, then last one would be 30. So we can make it little separate. Now we will find out fi ti. So assumed mean was, we can write here assumed mean is equals to 30. So we will write sigma fi. So number of patients, we will need to find out the number of patients also. So sum of these number of patients, this is now 80, and we will find out this fi di now. So di is already known, fi is known, so this will be minus 120, and this will be minus 110, this will be 0 into 21 will be 0, and 10 into 23 this will be 230, and next would be 14 into 20, this will be 28 280, and this will be 150. So we can find out sigma fix, sigma fi di. So sigma fi di we can find out, so this will be equals to 430. So sigma fi di we got 430. Now we will find the mean, therefore mean will be equals to a plus sigma fi di divided by sigma fi. So x bar will be equals to a is already known, this is 30, so 30 plus 430 divided by 80. So we got this will be 30 plus 5.375. So this will be equals to 35.375, or we can write it down as 35.38 also. So this is the mean for us. So mean we calculated 35.38. So coming to question number 2. The following data gives the information on the observed lifetimes in hours for 225 electrical components. So we need to find out the model lifetime of the electrical components. So first of all we will make this table given. So this is lifetime in hours, and this is the frequency. So this is 0 to 20, then 20 to 40, then 40 to 60, then 60 to 80, and 80 to 100, and last one is 100 to 120. Now we will write down the frequencies. So for first this is 10, then 35, then 52, then 61, then 38, and last one is 29. Now we need to identify what is the model class. So model class means the class having the highest frequency. So for us the highest frequency is 61. So this is the model class for us. So this is the model class. So we have identified the model class, means class having the highest frequency. So this is 60 to 80. Now we can find out the values. So lower limit for this means value of L is equals to 60, and that for F1 is equals to, F1 is the frequency of the model class, so this is 61, and F0 is the frequency preceding the model class. So preceding the model class means model class से पहले वाली. So ये भी कितने आ रही 52, and for F2 is the frequency of the model class succeeding. So this is 38, and H is equals to, H is 20. So this is the range. Now mod will be equals to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So this is the frequency that given mod formula. Now we will put these values. So mod is equals to L, lower limit 61 plus F1 is already known. So this is 61. So L is actually 60, from here 60, this is 61 minus F0 is 52 divided by 2 times F1. So F1 is 61. So this will be 2 times 61 minus F0. F0 is 52 minus F2. F2 is 38 into H. H is 20. So we can find out the mod. This will be 60 plus, this will be 9 divided by 22 minus, we can add these values. So this will be 0 and this is 90. So for us mod will be equals to 60 plus, this will be 90 into 20 divided by, this will be 2 and 3, this is 32. So we can find out the mod. So mod will be equals to, this will be 60 plus 5.625 for this value. So mod we got, mod is 65.625. So model lifetime is 65.625. So now coming to question number 3. The following data gives the distribution of the total monthly household expenditure for the 200 families in a village. Find the model monthly expenditure of the families and also find the mean. मीन के लिए क्वेश्चन हम ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं 14.1 एक्सरसाइज में. सो पर्टिकुलरली वी विल सी हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द मॉडल इन दिस. So this is the expenditure in rupees. This is given to us. This is from 1000 to 1500, then 1500 to 2000, then 2000 to 2500, then 2500 to 3000 given to us. Next would be 3000 to 3500, then 3500 to 4000, and 4000 to 4500, and last one is 4500 to 5000. And the frequencies is already given, number of families. So number of families, so number of families is actually the frequency for us. So for model class, first of all we will find this model class. So frequencies is 24 for first, then 40, then 33, then 28, then 30, then 22, 16 and 7. So highest frequency for us in this is, highest frequency is 40. So this is the model class. So जिसकी highest frequency होगी वही क्या होगी, model class होगी. So this is the model class for us. So highest frequency is 40. So this is the model class. Now we can find out the mod for us. So mod is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So we can find out the mod. Mod is equals to, or we can separate this data. So mod is equals to, this is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now we will substitute the values. So mod will be equals to L. L is the lower limit of the model class. So model class की lower limit क्या है, 1500 है. So put 1500 plus F1 is the frequency for this model class. So frequency is 40. Write down 40 minus F0. F0 is the frequency preceding the model class. So this is 24 divided by 2 into F1. F1 is the frequency of the model class. So 2 into 40 minus F0 is 24 minus F2 is the frequency succeeding this class. So succeeding this class is 33. So we'll take up 33 into H. H is the height. So height is 1500 given to us. So this is 500. So height is the 500. Height is the range. So 500 is the range for us. So now we can find out the mod will be equals to 1500 plus. So from here we got, this is 16 divided by 80 minus 57 and into the height given to us, this is 500. Now we can simplify it. So mod equals to 1500 plus, this will be 16 into 500 divided by, this will be 3 and 2. So this will be 23. Now we can solve this. So mod will be equals to 1500 plus, we can solve this value. So this will be 347.826. So we can add these values now. So this will be 1847.826. So we got the mod of expenses. So we can say the mod of expenses is equals to rupees 1847.826 rupees. So this is the model expenses now, and we need to find out the mean expenses. So mean expense अभी निकालते हैं. मीन निकालने के लिए सबसे पहले अभी हमें क्या है, XI निकालना पड़ेगा. So XI will be the sum of these two. So this will be 2500 divided by 2. So this will be 1250. अभी 500 का इसमें क्या आ रहा है, इंटरवल्स आ रहा है. तो 5 इंटरवल्स पे अभी हम इसको सॉल्व कर लेंगे. सो नेक्स्ट वन वुड बी 500 ऐड करेंगे तो 1750, देन 2250, देन अगेन 2750, देन दिस विल बी 3250, then 500 3750, then 4250, then this will be 4750. So these are the values. We can calculate sigma. Fi will be equals to sum of all these frequencies. So this is already given 200. Now we can calculate the di from here. Di will be xi minus a. So a is the assumed mean. Assumed mean, we can take up the assumed mean from here. So for assumed mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 intervals are there given. So we can take up any of the mid values. So suppose if we take up this 2750, so we can write it down here. Assumed mean or a is 2750. So assumed mean is 2750. So 2750 minus 1250. So this will be minus 1500. Again 5 के differences पे चला जाएगा ये. So next one would be minus 1000. So minus 500, and this will be 0, then 500, then 1000, then again it will be 1500, then last one would be the 2000. So again we will find out the ui will be equals to di by h. So di we have already calculated, this divided by h. H is the 500, difference is 500. So ये जितनी वैल्यू आई सब कर किसी क्या करेंगे 500 से डिवाइड करेंगे. सो दिस विल बी -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and last one is 4. Now we will calculate fi and ui. So we will calculate fi and ui over here. So fi ui, this will be 24 into -3, -72, then -80, -33, then 0, then this will be 30, then 44, and 3 into 16 will be 48, then 28. So we can calculate sigma fi ui will be equals to sigma fi ui. We can add up all these. So this comes out to be minus 35. Now we will find out the mean. So mean will be equals to, this will be a plus sigma fi ui divided by sigma fi into h. So x bar will be equals to a, we already know this is 2750 plus this is minus 35 divided by total frequency is 200 into this is 500. So we can calculate it. So this will be 2750 minus 87.5 on calculation we got. So x bar is equals to 2662.50. So this is the mean value for this. So we have calculated the mode and mean both for this question. So coming to question number 4th. The following distribution gives the state-wise teacher-student ratio in the higher secondary school in India. Find the mode and the mean of this data. Interpret the two measures. So first of all, we will find out the mode for this. So we will make this table. So number of students per teacher. So number of students. So first of all, we have written number of students per teacher. So number of students, this is 15 to 20, then 20 to 25, then 25 to 30, then 30 to 35, then 35 to 40, and 40 to 45, then 45 to 50, and last one is 50 to 55. So this is given to us. Now I will write down the frequencies for this. So number of states, this is number of states. So number of states means this is the frequency, or we can write down frequencies. So for first this is 3, then 8, then 9, then 10, then 3, 0, then 0, and last one is 2. So we can find out the sum of frequencies. So sum of the frequencies, this will be 35 as it is given in the question. There are the 35 states. Now to find out the mode, now see that this is only the class that is having the highest frequency 10. So this is our model class. So we can just highlight it. So this is the model class for us. So now we can find out the mode. So mode is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 times H. So now we can find out the mode. So mode equals to L. L is the lower limit of this model class. So model class is this. So lower limit is 30. So this is 30 plus F1. F1 is the frequency of this model class. Frequency of the model class is 10. So we'll write 10 minus F0. F0 is the frequency preceding the model class. So preceding the model class is 9 divided by 2 times F1 is the same 10 minus F0. This is 9 and minus F2 is succeeding this model class. So this is 3 and into height. Height is 5 given to us. So height is the range. This range is 5. So now we can calculate the mode will be equals to 30 plus this will be 1 by 20 minus 12 into 5. So now mode is equals to 30 plus, so this will be 5 by 8. So we can calculate mode equals to 30 plus, so this will be 0.0.625 or we can add up this. So mode will be 30.625. So this is the mode we calculated. Now we come to the calculation for the mean. So for this mean calculation, we will take up this step deviation method. Now first of all, to calculate the means, we will find out the value of xi. We will use this same table. So for xi, this will be sum of these two limits divided by 2. So this is 35. 35 by 2 will give us the 17.5. Then next higher, it is at the interval of 5, 5. So 5 will add up. So this will be 22.5, then 27.5, then 32.5, 37.5, 42.5, 47.5, and last one will be 52.5. So we got all these values. Now we'll need to find out the di. So di will be xi minus a. A is the assumed mean. So we can write assumed mean A. So this is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the even number of distribution given to us. So any of the middle value can be A. So we can take up this 32.5 as A. So this is 32.5. We have taken as A. So now we can find out the di. So di will be xi minus this. So for this will be now minus 15. So this will be again 5 के differences पे सारा आता जाएगा. So this will be minus 10, minus 5, then this will be 0, then 5, then 10, then 15, and last one will be 20. So again we will find out the ui. So ui will be equals to di by h. So di by h, h is 5. So we will divide all these di values by 5. So this will be minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we'll calculate the UI, Fi and Ui. So Fi, Ui means Ui is already known and Fi is there. So this will be minus 9 for the first case. Minus 9 means minus 3 into 3. So this will be minus 9. And next one would be minus 16, minus 1 into 9, minus 9, 0 into 10, this is 0, 1 into 3, this is 3, and 2 into 0 will be 0 and 3 into 0. So last two will be 0 and 2 into 4 is 8. Now we can write sigma Fi Ui will be equals to, we can add up all these. So this will be equals to minus 23. Now we can find out the mean. So mean is equals to A plus sigma Fi Ui divided by sigma Fi into H. So x bar is equals to A is already known. So this is 32.5 plus sigma Fi Ui is minus 23 divided by sigma Fi is 35 into H is 5. So x bar is equals to 32.5 plus, so this will be minus 23 by 7. On simplification we got x equals to 32.5 minus, this will be 3.28, or on simplification we got x bar is equals to, this will be 29.22. So the mean is 29.22. So we got the mode and mean for this question. So coming to question number 5th. The given distribution shows the number of the runs scored by some top batsmen of the world in one-day international cricket matches. So we need to find out the mode of the data given to us. So runs scored. So we will write runs scored and number of batsmen, number of batsmen. So runs scored, this is 3000 to 4000, then next one is 4000 to 5000, then 5000 to 6000, then 6000 to 7000 and 7000 to 8000. So these are the values given to us, and 8000 to 9000 and 9000 to 10,000, and last one is 10,000 to 11,000. Number of batsmen is already given. So for first this is 4. So for first the number of batsmen is given as 4, and for second this is 18, then this is 9, then 7, 6, 3, 7, 6, 3, then 1 and 1. So we need to find out the mode of this data. So highest frequency, now see in this table highest frequency is the 18. So this is our model class. So 18 is the model class. Now we can put the values in the formula. So mod is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So now we will put these values in this. So now mod is equals to L. L is the lower limit. Lower limit for this model class. So this model class lower limit is 4000. So we will write 4000 plus F1 is the frequency of this motor class. This is 18, so we'll write 18 minus F0 is the frequency preceding a motor class. So preceding a motor class is 4, so we'll write 4 divided by 2 times F1. So F1 is 18 minus F0 is 4 minus F2. F2 is the frequency succeeding, means baad wali. This is 9, so we'll write 9 into H. Value of H is 1000. So this is 1000. So mod will be equals to 4000 plus this is 14 divided by 36 minus 13 into 1000. So mod will be equals to 4000 plus this will be 14 divided by this will be 23 into 1000. So mod will be equals to this will be 4000 plus we got this value, this is 608.695. So mod is equals to, we can add this, so this is 4608.695. So this is the mode of this data. So we got mode of France as 4608.695. So now coming to question number 6th. A student noted the number of the cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods each of 3 minutes and summarized it in the table given below. We need to find out the mode of this data. So number of the cars is given in the first table. So number of cars, this is 0 to 10, then 10 to 20, then 20 to 30, then 30 to 40, and 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. First of all, we will write all these intervals, then 60 to 70, and last one is 70 to 80 given to us. So this is the number of cars, and next one is frequency given to us. So this is the frequency. So 0 to 10, they are the 7, and next is 14, then 13, 12, 20, then this is 13, 12, and this is 20, and this is 11, then 15, and last one is 8. So now we need to find out the frequency for this. So see in this frequency table, the highest frequency is for this 20. So highest frequency will give us the model class. So we have identified the model class. So model class is 20. Now we can put these values in the formula. So for mode, this is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now we can put these values. So mod equals to L. L is the lower limit of this model class. So lower limit is 40. So we'll write down 40 plus F1 is the frequency of the model class. So this is 20. Write down 20 minus F0 is the frequency preceding the model class. So this is 12. Write down 12 divided by 2 into F1. So F1 is 20 minus F0 is 12 minus F2. F2 is succeeding the model class, frequency of the class succeeding the model class. So this is 11. So write down 11 into H. H is 10. So write down 10. So mod equals to 40 plus this will be 8 divided by 40 minus 23 into 10. So this is equals to 40 plus this is 80 divided by this is 17. Now we can solve this. So this is equals to 40 plus, so 40 plus whatever the value is given, so this is 4 almost 4.7. So this is equals to 44.7. So we got the mod. The mod is 44.7. सो मॉड निकालने के लिए सबसे पहले आप क्या कीजिए, मॉडल क्लास को आइडेंटिफाई कीजिए जिसकी हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी होगी, और उसके बाद फिर फॉर्मूले में वैल्यूज को पुटअप कर दीजिएगा. सो वी हैव फिनिश्ड अवर एक्सरसाइज 14.2. थैंक यू. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप अभी तक हमने जो भी पढ़ा आपको समझ में आया होगा. इनकेस अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है तो आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो. आप हमारे वीडियोस को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी रेफ़र कीजिए ताकि हम आपके लिए और भी अच्छे अच्छे सोल्यूशंस ला सकते हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच. टेक केयर एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू.